Most people are about to make the same mistake they make every January. They're going to try and install new software, New Year's resolutions, on an old, corrupted operating system. You don't need a resolution. You don't need vision boards. Those are just apps. If your internal operating system, your identity, is coated with struggle, lack, or confusion, those new apps will crash by February. You're not broken, you're just running outdated code. Today, we're not going to set goals. We're going to initialize a full operating system upgrade. Welcome to version 2026.0.
Why do 80% of New Year's resolutions crash and burn by February 1st? The truth is, it's not because you're lazy, and it's not because you lack discipline. You have a compatibility error. You try to install a brand new goal, a flawless high-performance program, onto an old operating system that's out of date and cluttered with unfinished patches and legacy. Picture loading the latest next-gen software onto a relic from decades past. It sputters, glitches, fails before it can even launch. Your mind is no different. Goals built on top of an unpatched identity just don't run. They crash, and so you blame yourself. You call it weakness, failure proof that lasting change isn't possible. So what if the problem isn't you? What if the only thing that needs to shift is the system beneath your goals? The solution isn't more willpower. The solution is an upgrade, a recoding of your operating system. Your next breakthrough doesn't start with what you want to achieve. It begins with the identity you choose to run. So how do you upgrade your personal operating system? It starts by stopping the struggle against outdated patterns. Instead, you intentionally replace them. Step 1. Define your next iteration. Who is version 2.0 of you? Think beyond what that person owns or achieves. Focus on how they process the world. How do they respond to pressure? How do they greet each morning? Resilience, mindset, habits. These are the core protocols. And here's your mode switch. Don't aim to fake it till you make it. Enter conscious practice mode. Practice being that upgraded version in small, manageable bursts. Just as a creator tests small changes before a full release, apply shifts that feel authentic. With each tiny upgrade, your identity begins to change. Actions that once felt forced start to flow naturally, operating quietly in the background, no longer requiring effort because your internal framework has been updated. Now consider this video your quick patch, not the ultimate solution. A deeper update is available, working at the foundational layer where habits and beliefs are truly reshaped. That guided experience is called Awaken the Legend. It's now available as a complete activation journey, ready when you are.